is the Avro jet, the 148 thingy. Yeah, I think it's. See this? See this? It's like it's. It looks like a bit short and like thicker for its size. I like it. I like it pretty much. I think I could put it maybe even everything. Maybe like the top of B tier. It's a nice one. This is the. Hello? This is the. Do you want me to figure this out? I can. Give me a second. Okay, well, I have no idea what this is, so I'm just gonna put it in here. Next one. Next one. This is the like. Wait. Sorry. That was up to time. I'm back. Okay, I'm back. So. Yes. This is the ARJ thingy. I think they changed the name to like the Comac C919, I think. I'm pretty sure that's what this is. It's kind of just like a CRJ. But not my favorite. This is not my favorite. I think it can go in like a D tier. Okay. This is the. I'm guessing this is the A320. I can't tell. Well, yeah, like I can't tell, but well, I think well, if it's what I think it is, I think I'll just put it here. I think I'm just gonna put it down here as a duplicate or something. This is the C929. It's like an A320. It's like an A320. So I think I can just put it. I think it's cooler than an A320. Okay, I think I'm gonna put it here. Pretty nice. I'm gonna do a few more, and then I'm making part 3. I'll go until this conveyor. So this is the Comac C939, I think. It's like an upcoming plane. It's pretty cool. I think I can just put it here again. We have the Concorde. I like it. I really like it. It's a very unique plane because normally you don't see like commercial planes with the delta wings. Normally there's like straight, not curved, so that's pretty cool. I think I can put it like in B tier in front of A380, and this is something. I don't know. I don't know what this is. Anyway, this is, I'm pretty sure, a conveyor, either 880 or 990. last time, I don't know, I forgot what the nose looked like, but last time I remembered it was pretty goofy. But I think I can put it like in front of the A380 because it's just it's a very nice, cool retro aircraft. I think I'll put it in front of the Concorde in B tier. There. Come back for part 3. There should probably really only be like a video or maybe 2. But I think I'm gonna do a part 3. I hope I don't do a part 4. I'm gonna just try to fit everything into part 3 and then yeah, thank you. Bye. Have a great day.